So be sure to watch the video if you want to see some funny reactions, and watch to the end if you want to see a sick trick shot. And be sure to leave a like. Every like counts!
Sex! Ah, you couldn't fucking... But!
Go!
Oh, dude. You fucking thief! You thief! Oh, that was it.
Oh, yeah.
Why the hell did he jump? Why?
Ooh, that was absolutely scrumptious.
I gotta get mean. Oh yeah, mean. You jump over my butt! Oh no! Savage right now. I haven't played for 2 days and this is what happens. But I do not. Oh yeah, Mr. Snake. Get that leg out of here. I don't want none of that. I don't want none of that. What if I talk like this the whole time? I could talk like that all night for you.
Oh my god, it's so patchy.
Fuck. Oh my god.